Hakasingi bak Election Commission of India kalap penbenaya ka tarik ban vote habarok kawai kari India na kamta ban ji ki MP ki batmai jo kalok sabha hakaban na kamta ka jalla mekhlaya kata na kamta ki atli ki konstituensi kata ka Shillong bak tura labu bak kanlong haka khat khandai tarik jong yong arjar arfusau usif electoral afsa jaga jalla mekhlaya u Dr. BDR Tiwari ulethu baki pat yang vote jaga jalla mekhlaya ki ban ji ki MP ki batmai ki long arfu arlak kanyo jar sis pangut nakini ki nang vote kan thai ki long khat wilang arfu arajar sis pa san phongot kishan rang pat ki long shifo lak khandai sa jar khandai spa sa phunyongot ki third gender pat ki dan tang laingot shu u BDR theory ulethu baka jingkiu ki nang vote na usnam arajar arfulai hadu usnam arajar arfusaw ki don baro san fusan hajar khandai spa nyu phuingot kinang vote banang supurung kertang thamai haka electoral roll hadu usnam arajar arfusaw ta hadu basang di usnam arajar arfusaw ki long baro san punu hajar khandai spa khandai ngot service bota ki don la hajar praspa la fusan kinang vote baduna khotmet ki don khatwe hajar sispa nyu khandai ngot kinang vote ki bra kanjo prapusnam ka ata shaneng ki don hadu arpula hajar news pa khandai pulai ngot san ngot pat ki de kinang vote non resident Indian lani ki NRI hame khlia baro ki polling station ki don la hajar sanspa khan artli ka bakan top ye ki laispa arfundutli ki jaka sarbat la hajar sispa prapundutli shaki jaka nang kandong.
Total population of 29,66,889 as per 2011 census, and we have total projected population as per 2024 is 34,32,529. We have recently completed our special summary revision, and as on 5th January 2024, we have total 22,17,100 electors, out of which 10,94,947 male and 11,22,150 female voters and 3 third gender voters are in E-roll of Meghalaya. As per EP ratio in 2024, it is 646, which was 507 in 2018, and gender ratio is also 1025, which is more than the ER ratio in 2018, that was 1019. So total service voters we have 3,835. Total PWD voters we have 11,179. We have 5 NRI electors. Photo in electoral roll has already 100% completed, and it is also been prepared. Meghalaya has now total 3,512 polling stations, out of which 326 urban and 3,186 rural polling stations are there. And we have 2,911 polling stations locations, and out of which 189 are in urban area and 2,722 are in rural areas. Average number of electors per PS is 631. We have total women managed 60 polling stations are planned, and youth managed 37 polling stations also been planned. Total model polling stations we will have 60, similar number to the assembly segments. And as per polling stations are concerned, we have 2,399 polling stations will be the single PS. 466 PS locations have 2 polling stations, while 9 polling locations have 3 polling stations, while 33 are having 4 PS locations. We have required number of the EVMs, and as per the requirement of the 3,512, we have available stock of EVM after FLC, we have 5,873 BU, 7,181 CU, and 5,790 VVPAT. So we have 167% BU, 204% CU, and 164% VVPATs are in our stock. As per the voting is concerned, we have 65%, 0.48% voting in Silang constituency during 2019 Lok Sabha election, and 81.38% voting in Tura parliamentary constituency. Altogether 71.43% people had casted their vote during last Lok Sabha election. As per our preparations are concerned, we are fully prepared for the forthcoming Lok Sabha elections, and polling personnel, all category, they have already been identified